All right, let's get straight to it. 2018 Chevy Sonic. This is the 1.8 liter. And today I'm going to show you the location of your water outlet. So the water outlet is located on the side. Over here, you can see this piece on the side. It's this big plastic piece that attaches all the way to the block. And there's two outlets on this end here that leads to the heater core. You can see there's two hoses, and there's one hose on this side that leads to the radiator, and that is your water outlet. So there's two bolts on top here that holds this on, and then there's another bolt down at the bottom that you're going to have to get to. You probably won't be able to see it, but it's right here. That's the other bolt at the bottom that you're going to need to get to, and then another one right down here. So there's 4 bolts in total, just so you know.